Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to Aquilaresources. Today, we've got an important topic for all you students out there: student credit cards, bad credit, instant approval. We'll be diving deep into what student credit cards are, whether you can actually get instant approval with bad credit, and we'll even share our top 5 picks for the best student credit cards in this category. So, if you're a student looking to build credit, stay tuned. First things first, let's talk about what student credit cards are. These cards are specifically designed for students, and they come with features and benefits tailored to the needs of young adults. They often have lower credit limits, no annual fees, and can be an excellent way to establish credit for the future. Now, the big question is, can students with bad credit get instant approval for these cards? Well, the good news is that some student credit cards are more forgiving when it comes to credit history. They might offer instant approval even if your credit score isn't perfect. However, it's essential to do your research and choose the right card for your situation. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best student credit cards that offer bad credit instant approval. The first credit card is the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. If your credit is in really rough shape, the Discover It secured credit card is an excellent option. It's a secured credit card, which means you'll need to make a security deposit, but it's designed to help you rebuild your credit. The second credit card is Discover It Student Cashback, which is known for giving students a chance to build credit with their student cards. The Discover It Student Cashback card offers cashback on rotating categories and even matches your cashback at the end of your first year. The third option we have is Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card for students. Bank of America offers a student-friendly credit card with customization options for your rewards. You can earn cashback on categories like dining, travel, and more. The fourth card that we have is Discover It Secured Credit Card. If your credit is in really rough shape, the Discover It Secured Credit Card is an excellent option. It's a secured credit card, which means you'll need to make a security deposit, but it's designed to help you rebuild your credit. Last but not least, OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card is another secured option. The OpenSky Secured Visa Credit Card doesn't require a credit check for approval. It can be an ideal choice for students with poor credit who want to improve their financial standing. So, there you have it, the top 5 best student credit cards for bad credit with the potential for instant approval. Remember, while these cards may be more lenient with credit requirements, it's crucial to use them responsibly to build or rebuild your credit over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more informative content. And as always, do your research and choose the card that best suits your unique financial situation. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.